A federal judge granted a temporary injunction against the president order regarding birthright citizenship. Now, don't forget to follow this page. Obviously, you know we are on YouTube, on Koloko Immigration, Instagram as well, Red Note Attorney Anik. Now, let's talk about this. As you can imagine, the legal saga started and a judge actually heard the case in Seattle because we have several Democratic Attorney General who filed several lawsuits, and one of those was in Seattle. The judge heard actually the argument from both sides and of course was completely surprised, stating, quote unquote, that it boggled his mind because this order is unconstitutional, asking obviously the government, whether they believe that this particular order is constitutional. They say yes, it was the case, and they ask the opportunity to brief on the injunction itself, and asking the judge not to grant an injunction. Obviously, when in advance the judge agreed and saying that okay, is going to grant a temporary injunction up to February 6th, and then we'll reconsider whether after February 6th, then he will actually grant a temporary injunction that will be longer until the case is actually decided on the merit. What does that mean for you? It just means that we're coming back on February 6th. Remember that the executive order is scheduled to enter in effect on February 19, meaning every baby born after February 19 under this particular order will only consider as a U.S. citizen under the 14th Amendment, except if he meets some, obviously, you will have some criteria such as the father was either a permanent resident or a U.S. citizen. Now, we'll see. We're going back on February 6th, but we can expect that this is not the only injunction that we'll see. We have another case actually pending before the court in Massachusetts. I'm pretty sure we're going to hear about this pretty soon, but for any update on that, we keep you posted. Don't forget to follow this page for more information and news on immigration. Thank you. Bye.